Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I just finished retightening my mom's hair, and I just want to show you guys what she's looking like at how long is this? It's April? Yeah. So I just want to show you guys what her hair's looking like at 23 months. So next month she will be 2 years locked. This is my mom's hair. I'm probably gonna have to put in a before picture. This is what it looks like from the back. Like, yes, shake it. Yes, it's super long. Remember my mom started with low density hair, and this is how thick it is. Like, it's just super. You're so silly. That's just how thick that it's gotten. This is what the grid is looking like. Honestly, her grid is not the same as when I first started, and that's mainly because we've combined several. I don't know if you can see that here. I've twisted several of them together and interlocked them at the root. See. Yeah, so she's not completely locked yet, especially at the end. She has a lot of curly open ends left, but she's combined a few, so I think she had like 300 and something. I don't think she has that many anymore, but and she actually asked me to combine them because she kind of likes them a little bit bigger now than when we first started. But yeah, so this is what her hair is looking like. It's proof that you should trust the process. I'm going to insert a clip of when she first started, and you guys remember how badly I felt like I messed up, and it's just really blossomed into this beautiful, beautiful plant, beautiful head of hair. Mom, can you turn so I can see like a face shot? There you go. And now you can see. And you can see how it hangs from the front. Yeah. It's like a cute little bob. It's really, really, really beautiful. How do you feel about it?
Hey guys, I feel wonderful. I wouldn't change a thing.
Can you be serious?
I am serious.
It's been about 23 months now. How are you feeling about your hair overall?
I love it. And you know what? My hair has taken a life of its own. They start marrying within each other, so I just love it.
Yes, oh yeah, she's definitely had a lot of marrying, which has like also kind of is my fault because I don't retighten when I'm supposed to. Like when was the last time I retightened? Like
it's been a while.
Yeah, so she's had a lot of marrying, and my mom's response to the marrying is just loop them all together. But can you tell the people why you prefer bigger locks and why you had me combine some?
The retightening is quicker. That's what I like.
Oh, so it's more about the maintenance and
yes.
Not wanting to sit
so long. Yeah.
Okay. And you also like bigger locks now? Or?
Yeah, I think the medium size one look better after a certain period, just to change it up a little bit. Yeah. They started out real thin, and then just to switch it up a little bit.
Mm-hmm. Are you styling your hair? Well, I mean, I know we're in quarantine now, but have you styled your hair a lot, or?
Yeah, there's multiple ways. I could put it up in a ponytail, or else put it in 2 ponytails, or just wear it down, or braid it sideways in a cornrow. Yeah, I can do a variety of things with it. I love it.
I really dislike that voice that you put.
Why? That's my voice.
That's not your regular voice.
Oh my God. How do I sound? How I talk? That's me.
Okay, anyway. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Okay, so yeah, this is what it's looking like at 2.
Try it. You won't go back.
Oh, so one more question. Remember when I asked you, how do you feel now about like lock envy? Do you still be looking like at my hair?
No, I don't. Your hair is beautiful. It has its own sector. My hair, I know, is beautiful because I get tremendous compliments, and it's taken a life of its own, so I'm good.
Okay. How long do you think you'll let it grow?
Oh,
I want her to grow it to butt length.
What? No, it's not gonna happen.
No, okay, what you say?
I'm not carrying my hair in bags and shit. It
No.
ain't gonna happen.
Okay.
No.
Okay. How long do you want?
Probably down here, maybe to my back just a little bit, but after that, it's gonna have to be clip, clip, clip.
Okay. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.
Bye. Subscribe to her channel.
Oh yeah, stay inside, stay healthy, and wash your hands. Bye.